is question number 7, and it says if f of x is equal to x squared minus x over x squared plus 3x minus 4, let p equal the limit as x approaches 1 from the right of f of x, and q equals the limit as x approaches negative 4 from the left of f of x, and they want us to find what p and q are. So the first thing we can do here, though, is get rid of some stuff. So I can factor on the x from the top, and I get x minus 1. And on the bottom, I can factor it into x minus 1, x plus 4. So here, I can go ahead and cancel out my x minus 1. So I just have x over x plus 4. And when I plug in 1, I get 1 over 1 plus 4. So this first part is 1/5. So p is equal to 1/5. But q, I'm looking at negative 4 from the left-hand side. So what it's saying is that I can't just plug in negative 4. We couldn't cancel out. If I did, I would get 0 on my denominator. But if I have values that are approaching negative 4 from the left-hand side, all those values are going to be more negative than negative 4. So any like negative 5 plus 4 is going to give me a negative value. So these values are always going to be negative. And as we get closer and closer to negative 4, my value here becomes smaller and smaller because my difference is getting closer. So if I had like negative 4.01, my answer here is just 0.1. Or if I have like negative 4 and 1/100th, or 1/1000th, my answer down here is just negative 1 over 1,000, which we would flip and multiply it by this negative x. So my answer for q is going to be negative infinity. Except for the fact that it's not negative infinity, because this x value that we're substituting in, all of these are also negative. So it would be a negative times a really big negative number, which is going to give us positive infinity. So we have to always check back and see what exactly we're plugging in, what are our signs. So your answer should be 1/5 in positive infinity, and that is answer letter C.